Hey fellas, welcome back to PrimeMan TV, the channel where men over 40 level up their health, energy, and life. Quick question. Feeling tired all the time? Not crushing your workouts like before? Bedroom drive taking a hit? You're not alone. Today I'm revealing 3 foods you're probably eating that are secretly killing your testosterone and draining your energy every day. Stick around to the end for 3 easy tips to naturally boost your T levels and take your power back. Let's dive in. Here's the thing, testosterone isn't just a gym bro hormone. It controls your energy, focus, drive, fat burning, confidence, and your performance at the gym and in the bedroom. But after 40? T levels can drop about 1% every year, faster if you're eating the wrong foods. Let's expose the top 3 testosterone killers hiding in your daily meals. Food number 1, sugar, especially hidden sugars. Sugar causes insulin spikes that throws your hormones off. Testosterone crashes. What it's in: soda, candy, energy drinks, cereal, even healthy flavored yogurts and sauces. Scientific fact: one study showed testosterone levels drop 25% within 2 hours of consuming sugar. Swap these for sparkling water or black coffee, Greek yogurt, plain, full fat, whole fruits over juices. Food number 2, vegetable oils, canola, soybean, corn. These oils are super high in omega-6 fatty acids, which cause inflammation and disrupt testosterone production. Found in fast food, chips, microwave meals, fried food, packaged snacks and sauces. What to use instead? Olive oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, ghee. These support hormone balance and reduce inflammation. Food number 3, alcohol, especially beer. Beer contains phytoestrogens, which act like fake estrogen in your body. That's a big no for testosterone. It also damages your liver, where hormone regulation happens. Kills sleep quality. Raises cortisol, stress hormone, which suppresses T even more. Heavy drinking equals low T plus low drive plus more belly fat. Do this instead. Cut back to 1 to 2 drinks/week. Choose red wine or vodka soda if drinking. Hydrate and get back on track the next day. Now let's flip the switch. Here are 3 ways to naturally boost your testosterone starting today. 1. Lift heavy, but smart. Focus on squats, push-ups, deadlifts. Train 3, 4x/week. Keep rest periods under 90 seconds. 2. Sleep like a beast. 7 to 8 hours/night. No screens 1 hour before bed. Try magnesium glycinate for recovery. 3. Eat like a man. Eggs, beef, salmon equals testosterone gold. Healthy fats equals hormone fuel. Broccoli, cauliflower equals flush out estrogen. Fellas, low energy doesn't have to be your new normal. Testosterone isn't just about muscles, it's your fuel for life. Cut out the 3 foods we talked about: sugar, vegetable oils, excess alcohol, and replace them with smart, natural habits. You'll feel more energetic, more focused, and more you in just a few weeks. Smash that like button if this helped you. Subscribe to PrimeMan TV for more no BS men's health tips. Drop a comment, which food are you cutting out first? Stay strong. Stay sharp. Stay primal. Catch you in the next video.